Hi guys, today I am doing my hair, my makeup, and my outfit all according to my zodiac sign. I am a Gemini. I love being a Gemini. If you don't know what your zodiac sign is or what that is, then I'll leave a little picture of the zodiac signs. Let me tell you what, sometimes it's rough being a Gemini. The twins, and a lot of people are like, oh, you have two personalities, or you're good and bad. And I mean, I kind of feel that way too. Some days I'm like, yeah, I don't know. Some days I'm like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like I have both yin and yang. One part of me wants to be an angel, and the other part of me just really wants to be really bad. So that's what I'm working with. I've seen a few people do these videos. I think the first person that I saw do this video was Sophia Nygaard. Hopefully I'm saying her name right. The makeup look that I'm doing is this one. If you see me looking over here, I've got my picture pulled up so I know what I'm doing. It does look like it's just one color, like a soft brown and a little bit of a smoky kind of liner look and a bold brow. I just noticed that my camera is about to die, so I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup off camera, then I'll be back and we can do the eyes. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm going to take Rebel. Taking Rebel on this SL Miss Glam L50 brush. And I'm just going to sweep this all over the lid and into the crease. Actually, I think that's a good color match. And it looks like she has a little bit of like a white or a cream color underneath the brow bone. So I'm going to take Charmer, hit underneath the brow bone, and then blend those two colors together so there's no harsh lines. I'm just going to do some eyeliner and then smoke it out a little bit. Taking a BH Cosmetics smudger brush, I'm going to go into Smoke Show. Now I'm going to take Activist on the lower lash line with the same smudger brush. I'm going to take the brush that I used earlier and just blend it out. I'm going to quickly just do my brow. This is the Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo. Just using the powder side to give myself a more fuller brow. I'm going to do my lashes off camera, and that way we can just go ahead and move on to hair. For my lips, I use Rimmel London's Provoca Lips 16 Hour Kiss Proof Lip Color in the shade Wish Upon a Berry, and I just put this Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Gemini on the center. It seemed like for the Gemini lips it was either like an orange based color or a red or like a darker plum. Moving on to hair, this is what I'm most nervous about because for one, the part, and number two, the braids. I can't braid. I just, like, I can do a basic braid, but that looks like, is that a French braid? I can't braid, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Her hair doesn't look like it's like parted with a comb where it's so full on straight. Fair warning, I look really weird with a center part. So let's just do this. Is that center? It's so weird. Ugh. Now, how do I do this? Okay. Just like gonna start this off like that. And like this. And it looks like she takes hair from, I can't tell, this side. It's like, I can't do this, oh my gosh. This is hard. Okay, and again. Ouch. That. Okay. Ow. Okay, that is as good as it's gonna get on this side. Maybe I should scooch down a little there so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing or attempting to do. Oh my gosh. Okay, that looks nothing like the picture. So I'm just going to roughly gather my hair here. And I'm gonna clip this side up so it doesn't get in the way. That's cute. Brush out these tangles real quick. Okay. Actually, I think I can do it like this. Okay. Like so. go like this. Okay, one side done. So the hair around. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of work. This is what I am working with the finished hair. You can see the braid detail, and overall I think it is super cute. It was a lot of work, mainly because I've never done this style before, but I'm really loving it. I think it's super cute. For the last part, it is the outfit, and I already have it on, but I'm going to show you guys the full outfit. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. What zodiac sign are you? I'm interested to know. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You can always subscribe as well and hit the notification bell. I post on Mondays and Thursdays, and if you hit that notification bell, it'll let you know when I post. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! You want to say hi?